we got some light in this motherfucker.
Mellow made it right. Nigga, I was down bad. Now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby. Told my protector chill. Sipping all this coke in my baddest bitches on H-Pill. I want a couple million without a record deal. Got 25,000 on me when I been riding in the film. Got all designer on me. Bitch, I'm so fly, don't matter. I wanted to feel the V12 when I was riding in Atlanta. Busy being cushion all day. I'm damn near high as my family. I got 3 bitches with me. They want the baguettes on their neck. Bitch, I was made inside the projects. I got crip on my set. Nigga, I was really on the floor. Then I woke up in the jet. Ain't never had to dodge no nigga. I just might cop demon. I'm shopping at Neiman's. Ballin' every season. Feeling like I'm dreaming. Shining every weekend. All they know is that I was broke. Then I got a brand new coupe. Louis V's on my shoes. Fucking all my bitch by the tubes. First time in V12. She was hanging out the roof. My VV's ice cream. I didn't even have to scoop. Got the whole universe in my ceiling. I'ma set the mood. I seen this main bitch looking at my neck. Ooh, nigga, I was down bad. Now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby. Told my protector chill. Sipping all this coke in my baddest bitches on X-Pill. I want a couple million without a record deal. Got 25,000 on me when I been riding in the film. Got all designer on me. Bitch, I'm so fly, don't matter. I wanted to feel the V12 when I was riding in Atlanta. Busy being cushion all day.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing? You got your license registration with you?
30 racks for the piece. You swervo, Aki, but me roll.
Alright, so I just picked up my brake pads. Front and rear, I just picked up some cheap shit. I spent like $40 in total. Shorty over there grinding hard, boy. Shorty want the D. I know she wanted. Can't tell me no. But now some shit though. I'm so pissed off that old boy put me over with the ticket though, man. Yo, nah, that's some bullshit, bro. Yo, what this nigga doing sleeping?
Corner stories, nigga.
Yo, these people out here don't know how to drive, bro. Yo, that's one thing about this town. These people don't know how to drive. They can't drive for their life, bro. For their life, to save them. God willing, bro. But look, hopefully I get to the garage without getting pulled over again. You feel me? If I get pulled over again, I'm playing the lotto, my nigga. I'm playing the lotto, my nigga. Because my luck is so bad that it's good. You feel me? My luck is so bad that it's good. I'm definitely going to be playing the lotto. Yeah, that shit fat. Oh. Fuck, man. Yo, oh my God, bro. Ooh, I'm itching to slam on this gas pedal right now, bro. You don't even know, bro. Itching to slam on this gas pedal right now, bro. Oh my God, yo, fuck, yo, I hate the ops. Yo, fuck the ops, bro. Fuck one time, fuck 5-0, fuck them pigs, fuck them Schwarzeneggers. Yo, whatever names y'all be calling these niggas, bro. Fuck all them niggas, bro. Fuck all them niggas. We about to just go back to the crib, man. Fuck all that bullshit. And we got the pads. Man, I'm sorry my voice sounds so. Man, I'm so fucking heated, bro. I'm heated. I'm so heated. I'm sad. How that sound? I'm so heated. I'm sad. You feel me? Definitely was my fault that everything expired, but yeah, and took me a kind of break in too to go with it. But yeah, man, I bought these Duralast pads just to throw them on there so I can move the car around, just for now. And then damn, boiler came on, and then yeah, they're on there for now, just for now. And then when I'm ready to, you know, start driving the car or whatnot, I'll go get the hook pads and we can throw the hook pads on. But for now, I'm just gonna throw them shits on because they're probably gonna rust. The rotors are probably gonna rust too, but I could warranty the rotors. And I could warranty these old pads too, and I could return them if I don't want them. So the hook pads I can't warranty, so it's easy to do it that way. So whenever, you know, if these rotors ever end up, the paint gets taken off and they all get rusty, before I get my hook pads, before we get the car all set up, I could just see. I still got all the boxes. I got Akibonos and the Zimmerman. I still got all the boxes. We could just, you know, we could bring them in and get them warranted and get fresh new ones. So that's why I did it like that. In case y'all wondering why I put the cheap pads on the good rotors. I go. There she is right there. I see it. She's over there lurking in the back corner. There's nuts for the upper control arm too. But I ain't touching that, just the coilovers for now. Yeah, she has some Phillips head screwdrivers. Wow. She has some Phillips heads.
Spark that shit up, man.
Doing y'all brakes. Oh, this is all type of crooked. When y'all doing y'all brakes, make sure the pin, the emergency. This is pretty much all this is just letting you know it's your wear indicator. This little pin here. Just make sure that pin is on the same side as the pad that you took off of it. So even though we're not putting the same pads on, but you see how this is on the bottom right? Just assume that all the Hondas are like this. So this is the right side of the car and it's on the bottom right, so make sure you match the pad up with it also on the bottom right. And these always go in the back. They never go in the front. Unless they're dual, they have dual wear on both pads. 9 times out of 10, these always go on the back by the piston. So, set it up. Also, another thing to note. You see how I have my you see how I have the shit. You see how I don't have any of this? This is all painted here. This is the pad surface where the pad is resting on. So what you want to do, if these ever oh my god, if these ever end up getting painted, you gotta go back on here and take a file and just file them down. Get the paint off. All you wanna do is get the paint off, or else you won't have a lot of problem in the future. Your brakes are gonna start acting up. Your brakes gonna be making noise, and you're gonna be trying to figure out why your brakes is making so much noise.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
Damn, I should have known the the new parking brake bracket wasn't going to work. Look, it's right next to the damn spindle. We're gonna have to put the older one back on. That's a shame. You know, that's the point of these project cars, man. Things don't work and you just gotta switch it up. Find what works and what don't. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, bro. Look, peep that. Peep that. Oh hell no. Alright. I said I was gonna change something. I want to change that. Gonna have to change that, bro. That's gonna have to get changed. That's gonna have to get changed.
Genie on track, I'm posted up. Wrist on display, posted up. Diamond neck piece, I'm frosted up. Tony the Toggy, I'm frosted up. Backboard shot, they ain't close enough. Open the hair, yeah, close enough. Help with the check, I'm busting up. Dividend, bitch, man, I'm pulling that. No, I don't count my expense. The flow, this money don't make sense. I move quarter out like rents. Flip it, recycle, no rents. Lil' bro, I treat like a prince. What's credit, I don't need no consent. I'ma just cop no permit. Running shit up like a hit.
Yo, what's good, y'all? So we finished up the end of the video right here, man. And so practically today we got the right side of the car done. A lot of it done, I should say. Just gotta do the line, take the line off and put that the brake hose on that side. And then tomorrow, the day after, we do the other side, and then we hop to the fronts, put the rotors on, put the brake pads on, put the freshly painted calipers on. We do all that, and then yeah, man, should be done. Should be back on the ground, and then from there we start working on trying to get my engine back. Next week I'm gonna try to call the engine builder that got my engine and try to see what's going on, because he's had my engine for like 3-4 months, and neither has he tried to contact me or inform me of what's been going on. So I'm gonna give him a call, and hopefully we'll see what he say, man. I mean, I tried to give him a deposit, you know. I try to hook him up. I'm like, yo, man, I got $1,000, yo. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you want, you know, if you need some money to start this thing off, so I can get it. But you know, he hasn't me back, so hopefully he did sign. If not, man, I'll just get my block and I'll bring in something else. But it's gonna be another couple weeks and we'll have to wait. You know, that much delay. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man. All right, I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Peace. Wow.